Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to automatically offload unused apps in this device. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on the option App Store. Then again scroll down. Here you can see offload unused apps. So here you can see what is offload unused apps. Automatically remove unused apps but keep all documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available in the App Store. Okay, if you for some long time, if you are not using any application in your device and also you turn on this in this option, then that application will be automatically uninstalled from device, but all the data from that application is already saved in your device. To enable this one, turn on this option. If you want to disable, turn off this one. So simply in this way you can automatically offload unused apps from in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.